everyone, and welcome back to House to Happy Home. Today's video is going to be my Long Beach Antique Market sort of vlog. I didn't really film much while I was there, but mainly what I got from the antique market. So if you would like to follow me on this journey, go ahead and keep watching. Good morning, everyone. I am sorry this is going to be so shaky. I do not have a car. As I was saying right before you fell, I do not have a car tripod, so it might be a little shaky. But I came up to visit my mom for the weekend, this weekend, and we decided we wanted to go to the Long Beach Antique Market. So it is currently 6:45 and we are on our way there, and we should be there around 7-ish. And so I will just be taking you throughout my day at the Antique Market. I am back home from the Long Beach Antique Market, and I figured I would just show you guys what I picked up. So first of all, I stopped at one booth that I got the majority of these things at. So this, starting off, is a little wooden bowl. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty on the inside, but it's really just dirt. Like, it comes off. It's pretty nasty, but it's just dirt, so that'll clean right up. And I thought it was just so cute. I love little wooden bowls, and I thought the little feet on it were just so cute. I didn't really know what I would use it for, but when I pulled it up and got it out and asked him how much it was, he was like, ooh, good taste, it's mid-century. So I figured it would be kind of more expensive than I was hoping, but it was only $5, and I actually looked up this brand. It's a Munising or Munising. I don't exactly know how to pronounce it, but people were selling this on eBay for like $80. So I paid $5 and is selling for like $80, which is awesome. I thought it was just really cute. Next is just a normal wooden bowl. I figured I could either keep this to make into like a tray. I really want to do a DIY terrazzo sort of thing. And I was thinking that maybe I could do it in here because it has this like tiny lip, or I could just sand it down, restain it to make sure it's kind of smooth because it's a really rough wood on the inside, and then finish it so it has like a little tray that I can put my like jewelry and stuff in to put in the bathroom. I just figured this would be really cute. It was only $1, so I couldn't pass this up. And I forgot to say that was also from the same booth, and the next thing that I'm about to show is also from the same booth. This is just a lot of this faux leather fabric. It is, actually, I haven't even opened it fully up yet, but there is a lot of it. I got this for $1, and I figured that I could do something cool with it, some DIY, or use it in a dresser, like kind of like what I did here, but instead of the cane inserts, I also did my bedroom dresser with burlap. I figured something with like a faux leather black one would be cool. So that was $1, and then also from the same booth, I got 2 sets of furniture legs, both very mid-century modern. First is a chunkier one with gold bottoms, and then the other one is a thinner one with gold bottoms. For the 8 legs total, it was $5, which I thought was an awesome deal. They're really cute, and I figured to add to some project there would be a nice little touch. So this bag is full of the legs, and then down here I also have this. I got these sleigh bells. I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but I thought it'd be really cute, even to just wrap around a candle around Christmas or something like that. This just has to go back on through here, but I figured I could find a cute DIY for it, and it was only $1 from that same booth, so I figured why not. So that was all I got from that booth. Then a different booth, I got these 3 drawer pulls. I figured I could clean them up with the vinegar and steel wool technique. They are supposed to be gold or brass or something like that. You can kind of see on the back through all the dirt, grime, and stuff like that, but I figured if they didn't clean up, I could always spray paint them black and they would be fine. They screw on like this or like this so that you have this handle right here to pull them. For all 3 of them, it was only $1. I figured this could be cute for a furniture thrift flip piece, And then at a different booth, I got these 2 knobs, and these were like the steal of the day. These 2 little knobs I'm also going to try to clean up because you can see they definitely were a like gold or some sort of thing, but they are really old, that's for sure. But I just thought they were so cute. They really are like an Anthropologie-esque knob, and I got these for free. I walked up and was like, how much do you want for these? And she was like, just take them. Take them. I cannot look at them anymore. Just take them. So I thought that was awesome because I was going to pay like $3 for the set or something like that. So she gave them to me for free, which was really nice. So again, just for future pieces, I thought would be really fun. And then I got this right here, which I will show you how I plan to use it. But it is just a little miniature rug. I don't know what exactly it is used for. I don't know if it's supposed to be a placemat. It's kind of long for a placemat, so I don't exactly know what it is for, but this was $5, and I just thought it was a really cool, unique piece, and I am going to use this on one of the nightstands in my bedroom because my boyfriend's nightstand has a humidifier on it, and I don't want any of like the water seeping down, or if it spills by some chance onto the nightstand and kind of rotting away or ruining the wood. So I figured I would put this under on top of the nightstand like this and just have a little decorative piece. I didn't really mind that I wouldn't have one on my side, but I thought it was really cute. And this was $5. And then the same booth that I got this at, I got a floor runner rug. Now this I have some plans for. So right now you can tell it's like a yellowish green color, and I'm really hoping that I can bleach it. Now I need to do my research on this because it's like I don't know if you can see, just like a woven, it has all different types of fabric stitched and woven together. I just love the texture of this rug, and I have hopes that I can somehow bleach this to be more muted or more just white and kind of the cream, more towards what's going on over here. This side is actually pretty tan, like in this little strip right here, then it goes to yellow and green. So I'm hoping that I can bleach it. I was thinking of kind of diluting down bleach and either spraying it with a spray bottle and letting it sit and then putting peroxide on it to stop the bleaching process once it gets like a little bit lighter, or just like soaking it in a diluted tub of bleach. I don't really exactly know. I have to kind of look into this a little bit more, but this was $30. So he did $35 for both. He said originally this was $35 and this was $5, but I asked if we could do $35 for both of them. And so this was only really $30, and it's a 2 by, I want to say 6 or 7. I believe it's a 2 by 7. I just really have wanted a runner for either the entryway or my upstairs hallway. And so depending on how this comes out, it'll end up in one of those places. If you have any tips or tricks or ideas on how to bleach this rug to make it more of like the white and tan and beige tones in this, that would be great. And then the last thing that I got is this blanket. I'm currently blanking on the name of this design. I know that he said it so many times when I was there, but I just thought it was beautiful. It's just lots of texture, and it just looks like this. I will show you guys what it looks like on the bed, but this is a king size, so it is very, very large, and he wanted $50 for it, but I got down to $35. So this is awesome. I am really excited about this. I thought it was really gorgeous with like the detail on the edging and all of the texture. And that is what I got from the Long Beach Antique Market. Also from the same booth that I got the majority of my stuff at, my mom got this little vase, and it is only $1. It's a cute little milk ceramic jug. And then she also got this other vase, and this was at a different booth for around $4 or $5, I believe. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my haul. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. My mom and I tried to go to the Long Beach Antique Market around once every other month. So if you would like to see another one of these, let me know, and I would be glad to do another one the next time I go. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe down below and follow me on my journey of turning my house into a happy home. Bye.